Welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to be repainting this Head Toys truck, faceless truck, because I don't really want this to be a blue truck. I want this to be a regular faceless gray truck. So let's get into unscrewing this, go outside, grab some spray paint, and let's spray this. Get this one unscrew, please. Okay, got this out. Now let's go outside and get prepared. So the first step in order to spray paint is one, the truck, obviously, and then the next thing we need to be able to spray paint on is the surface, and then obviously we need spray paint. I'm actually going to show you what spray paint I'm going to be using. It's the Restorum American Accent Stain. So yeah, I'm going to be using this spray paint because it matches the best for this type of thing. So let's set up the camera and get to spray paint. If I can set this up, that'd be amazing. That's probably the best we're going to get for this. Also, always spray paint outside because fumes tend not to go well with your lungs. So, yeah. I hope none of this gets on my foot. Okay, that's good enough. Now we'll go let this dry for a couple of hours, and then we'll come back to get that and put it back on this chassis. So see you in a couple of hours. Okay, no, I lied. I'm going to show you what I'm putting. I'm putting in my garage to let this dry for like an hour. So see you when the hour's up. Bye.